This video teaches you how to use Microsoft Word's Find and Replace feature to look up words in your document, as well as how to replace instances of a word with another word. Place your cursor at the beginning of the document. Click to the left of the first word in your document to place the cursor there. Find and Replace will only search for words after the cursor. Click the Home tab. Click Find. This option is on the far right side of the toolbar in the Editing section. Doing so will open a search bar on the left side of the window. Type in a word you wish to find and press Enter. This will highlight instances of the word you searched for in the document. Click down and up arrow keys. These arrows are below the right side of the search bar. Clicking these arrows will jump to the next or previous instance of your word. Click drop-down arrow. It's on the far right side of the search bar. Doing so prompts a drop-down menu. Click Replace. Doing so opens the Find and Replace window. Type a word into the Replace With field. This field is near the bottom of the Find and Replace window. You should use a word with which you intend to replace the Find What word. Click Replace All. It's at the bottom of the Find and Replace window. This will replace each instance of the word you typed into Find What with the word you typed into the Replace field. If you would rather replace some, but not all instances of a word, you can click Replace instead to go word by word. You may need to click the beginning of the paper again before doing so. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.